Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with a blinking orange charge light on your HP laptop, don't panic. We're going to sort this out step by step. This issue is pretty common in 2025 models and usually points to problems with the battery, charging system, or even a simple connection glitch. Let's dive in so you can get your laptop up and running again quickly. First things first, the orange light typically means your battery is trying to charge, but if it's blinking, it could indicate a low battery, a faulty charger, overheating, or even software conflicts. It's HP's way of saying, hey, something's not quite right here. To start troubleshooting, check your power adapter and cable. Make sure it's securely plugged into both the laptop and the wall outlet. Try a different outlet or another compatible charger if you have one. This solves the problem about 50% of the time. If that doesn't work, restart your laptop. Sometimes, a quick reboot clears up minor glitches in the system. Next, head over to your device's settings. Open the control panel, go to Power Options, and ensure everything is set to default. Outdated drivers can also cause this, so visit the HP website, enter your laptop's model number, and download the latest drivers for your battery and power management. Installing these updates might just fix the blinking light. If you're still seeing the issue, run the built-in HP PC hardware diagnostics. Turn on your laptop and press the F2 or ESC key during startup to access it. This tool will scan for hardware problems, like a worn-out battery. Speaking of batteries, if your model allows, try removing the battery, unplugging the charger, holding the power button for 30 seconds, and then reconnecting everything to reset it. If none of these steps work, it might be a deeper hardware issue, so contact HP support or take it to a certified technician. Remember, always prioritize safety and avoid opening your laptop yourself unless you're experienced. There you have it. Simple fixes for that pesky blinking orange light. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.